Hello everybody, Vilisink back again, Scarab Shadow Legends, and in this video today, hope you're all doing well. I'm going to try something. Right, as you can see, we have Skull Lord Vargall with missing gear pieces. Now, that pieces are currently on Archbishop Pintroy, and the plan is, we're going to take this dude into Scarab King and we'll try it without the shield set. I've tried it before with him, and it's really good. And he does really well. If he healed a little bit, I think he would do a hell of a lot better. So what we're going to do is, we're going to hopefully find the regen set. Okay, we're going to mess things up in a minute. Equipped. How do you do that? It gives me every weapon again. Come on. Regen, we've got this one. Go there. Don't want ninjas. Don't want attack. HP speed. HP speed accuracy. Speed. What do you want for? No, that's a shame. If I had speed. 16 speed. Accuracy, speed, resistance. We can gain accuracy from the banner, so. Speed, HP. Yeah. Do we have gauntlets? We can take hers. We've got speed, we're good. So now we need HP chest. Let's see. So 6 speed. Accuracy. Crit rate. That's crit rate as well. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, why not? Why not? And then we can get rid of, I think, that one. Okay, so we're now looking for HP boots and speed. HP boots. Let's go to, I mean, he can keep that one's pretty much his boots just now. Semi slow, but that's okay. And we need a helm. Oh, one of these. Thank you. Get rid of you. Let's get some speed HP. Maybe a touch resistance. Not a bad one. Speed. 5-star speed. So we're gonna go with that. He'll regen. Quick enough. So now with the build he has, we're gonna hope. I think it's a HP. And that's blood shield. So main stat HP. Right. Yep. We've mixed them up. So now in a regen set, 105k HP. It's under 2k defense, 229 resist, 280 accuracy. Let's take him into Doom Tower. Top on best teams. And it's me, I have no idea. I got 31 turns. It's insane. See if I can replicate it. So, yep. Not enough silver keys. Really? Silver? Okay, no. Minus the super raid. Right, yeah. Cool. Sorry. So, let's see how he gets on. The plan here is everybody kinda needs to die. Everybody will die with the constant provokes. And that's what we're hoping for. The waves, we want to just kinda get Seer to destroy them for us. If we can. So come on, Seer, right, that's one. And let's see, triple Duchess. Right, come on, Seer. Come on. There you go. Kill Duchess, right. Everybody dies. Vargall. Rotos will probably survive for quite some time. That doesn't hurt his A2 affects enemy much. HP or decreases by X amount, so that's fine. But let's see how Vargall does. He is going to heal, and so we should be kind of unkillable to a certain degree. We can resist debuffs, and then we can take him from there. Let's keep an eye on his shield. When he attacks me, he puts his own purple shield down. That is the effect of his newly patched up kit. It decreases HP, it breaks the shield, so now we just have to regen ourselves to victory. If the Rotos dies, it's no big deal, that just makes it perfect. Apart from Rotos is capable of doing very strong hits, stealing the thunder. He's still full HP, he still did really well. He healed 200,000, didn't do that much damage. Yeah, but he took the shield of the boss down pretty quick. 40 turns. Still really cool. So I'm farming him just because I want to try to get some nice pieces. For CVC, we'll try to get some nice forged up gear. But that concludes this one. So, is Vargall okay in the Scarab? Yeah. Just wanted to do a little build, test something out, but it worked. We'll quickly show you though. build in case you're interested. Regen is awesome. So we've got the regen and the speed set. And we have 105k HP, 1983, 175 speed, 229 resistance, 280 accuracy, HP gloves, HP chest, HP boots. If it shows us, raid is getting kinda laggy. Everything's HP ring, HP amulet with, I believe, some resistance, accuracy banner, shield, speed, HP, so nothing really special with this. Got some nice triple rolls, but ultimately not the... he has masteries as well, so while we're here, we'll show it off. This was because he was in a shield set. I could probably change it. Get him some accuracy. Decreasing the turn rate on the A1 possibly could be cool. So that, I'll think about it. And if we change it, I'll let you guys know. But that's pretty much it. Pretty nice build. Unbooked. Has 0 books. But not a bad build from gear lying around. Went in. Absolutely smashed that Scarab's shield to pieces, along with the Scarab taking it down a little bit each time. Also, that kind of concludes this one. Stay safe, guys. Keep on reading. See you soon.